How to change Discord background. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search betterdiscord.app. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on download. Download the version that's available. After it's downloaded, at the top, you can click on themes. After you click on themes, you will find different themes for your Discord background. Simply scroll through the themes and click on download at the bottom if you want to download the theme. After it's downloaded, you can simply go to your Discord. After you go to your Discord, click on user settings at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, in here, scroll down on the left side. Scroll down till you find themes. Click on themes and click on open theme folder. In here, you can simply drag what you downloaded earlier. After that, you can turn on basic background. After that, you're good to go. This is how to change Discord background. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.